Hello, my name's Alex. This is my microphone. I bought it for like 17 quid off Amazon. This is a 350Z, right, from the cameraman, our dearest friend, Sunset Said 33. And this is my piece of shit. And today, come on, cameraman, let's show them. Recently, on the show, which I didn't show, we removed security. We've lost security now, so the bonnet will fly up. We need to fix that, but then, yeah. We get some fucking nice things to fit on these to make them actually work for once. That'd be nice. That shit. Obviously, the ones I bought were too long, so the headlights come out. The horn, which is apparently 300 decibels, is mounted, but not wired in, because, you know, it was like 4,000 degrees last weekend, and I just started dying. But on today's show, we're hopefully going to turn this into a jack point. But first, we've got to do something, because I don't really trust just two bits of metal holding that bit of metal on. So I've got here, we've got these two tabs and a bit of fucking waste, because we don't care about no waste or nothing. So we've got plenty of metal here in the shape of a T. We'll make them two tabs go down the center of the jack point. If you'd like to, if I'll point, you get the old gimbal A onto the old action A. As you can see, right, there's only two bits of metal that are left hanging down that I've sliced off. So I'm going to put one in here, one here somehow, by a bit of magic. And then weld the box section here. And I've got seals, outside seals on the way. So it doesn't have to look like a retard to put it in. Because all we're going to do is go straight and then 90-degree bend, and there, perfect. No, I bought actual seals for a saloon. But as you can see, I've not cut it all off. Which means I've got to just chop the front bit off and weld it around. But yeah, this might go terribly wrong or it might go terribly well. I've never done it before, so we're going to have a bit of fun. You're right, we laddies. All right, after that nice little fucking slow motion of the angle grind again, I quite like that. That's fucking sick. But we've got the plates. I've undermeasured one and overmeasured the other because I can't cut for shit. But we've got this Chinese diamond burr in the Milwaukee fucking fuel, right? Thingamajiggy. Right, watch this shit. It fucking cuts like fuck. Low power in there, you know what I mean? And then we just fucking, and then we just fucking whip that out. Obviously, we'll clean it up a bit better with the old. That looks like fucking dog shit. But the idea was, come down, don't let me flash everyone. If you get it, so it just sits. Oh, I've got the hang on. There we go. Problem solved. Just get it so it sits nicely on the thing. So when I do the weld, it just fucking welds up nicely. It'll be a bit further over, so I need a bit more cutting. But you see where I'm going with this, guys, don't you? And that should line us up with this quite nicely. And line us up there. And if anything, we can just grind the top down and then weld everything up to it. Oh, I bet you just heard my pulse there. Oh, so we know I've got. Oh well, and we'll put it back in here, and then we'll do a bit more fucking. Hang on, guys. On the old £43 fines. That fucking guy. That all you can hear is fucking. And then we'll go again, measure it up. Probably have to remake the plate, but.
What's the saying? 8 times the charm?
18th time the charm, mate, with us. Oh, wow. No, I think that's enough. I'm leaving it as that. I'm leaving it. That's gonna fucking. That'll do the trick. How was the fucking arse cheeks there, big man?
Fucking lush.
And then what I'll do, right, is I'll just fucking transfer it by lining them up. Ish.
Fucking bodgers extraordinary.
We're not engineers, mate, we're bodgineers, come on. Just thinking 5 years' time, right, when I've done this a million times, I won't fuck it up.
You will.
But yeah, but the
customer fuck it up better.
The customer will pay for it.
Yeah, exactly.
And not me. Hang on, let me just my yeah, and that's gonna fucking dissipate so quickly. Oh yeah. Oh fucking hell. This is what it's like to have a big penis. We're all micromanagers here, aren't we? Oh, let's go see what this feels like. Oh, I do like that time lapse idea though. Yeah, it'd be over like 16 days. Oh, sorry, darling. Yeah, straight away. Fucked one up. Got the other one right. We can always like we're gonna have to grind this down anyway and grind that down to clean it up to get the weld in. It's a shame I didn't make it wide enough to actually like weld there, but if I take this bit off, swing it around a bit, well, that makes it well uneven. Come on. But hey, we'll have one. We can always fucking that'd be sound. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's what I wanted. It sort of lines up. Now it's on the floor. Perfection. We connected now. Is it green?
Yes.
All right, sounds about to see. All right, so last time you saw it, I fucked up John's phone. So, oh dears, I'm sorry, mate. I'm so sorry. Over the old welding sparks in there. All right, so what we did right is it's all fucking looks crap. It looks shit, right? But you'll never see it. You'll never fucking see it. That's the point, right? And I don't care. But we were gonna go. I was gonna go box section the other way around, so lengthways. But to gain a little bit more height, and so it's like fucking almost there. If I'm gonna go to the sink, I'm gonna fucking grind it down a wee bit, don't mind. But all right, this is the test. So this could go either one of two ways. Oh, let me know if it fucks up. Is it bending?
No.
Bit of an awkward angle, really. Let me know when that wheel's off the ground.
Off the ground.
All right, the moment of truth. Will it fall off with my jack? We have fucking done it. We have bodged the beamer to where it's a jack point. All right, now I'll have to message an MOT tester, ask if that's legal. Because if it's not, we'll just plate the fuck out of it and make it look good. But we have one step closer to getting this fucker back on the road. But we've got another million steps, and I've burnt myself everywhere. If you see here, right, I fucking burnt myself. Get the armpit in there. I fucking burnt me fucking skin. I've got metal all down here. I've got no armpit hair, but I'm quite pleased with that. So what we're going to do now is check the front back up and get it all sprayed with zinc primer, get it cleaned up in there. I don't really switch the welds because, you know, I don't want to fucking them fall off. But it fucking held. And it looks... Anyone got any fucking shit in that with that? I think we'll end the video here because it's fucking too hot and I'm going to become a fucking arsehole in a minute because I'm not eating since like this morning. I've got a big shit brewing. So that's the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe so I can actually get some more funding to put more better looking shit on the Beamer. You know what I'm saying? Milwaukee, JCB, Max Speeding rods, Halfords. If you want to support the channel or me, give us a shout. Any Chinese factory, yeah, a Chinese factory would be nice. That'd be great. That'd get me on the Beamer parts, Chinese factory. Style work for a sick welder that I don't know how to work fully properly. But yeah, it's a fucking baller. No. Cheers, guys.